We did do a search for our team, and we were very proud of our team. It took a while to put the right players together, but here's how we did it. We started off by talking to our friends. We take classes at Babson, and we went up there for some executive training.
Asked Babson which general contractor they had used for their project, and we contacted the general contractor and actually had them come and meet with us, and then we went to their facilities.
Back in late March, early April of 2010, I got a phone call from Kyle Adamonis. They kind of conveyed to me that they wanted us to help them find an architect. One firm really stood out to Chris and Kyle, and that was Baker.
Shawmut is the firm you go to when only outstanding results are, expected.
Some of the projects we've done with Shawmut include a lot of institutional work. We've done a fair amount of work with them at Harvard University, the law school, Kennedy School, Graduate School of Education.
We went to one of their facilities in Boston, Larson Hall, that simulated a lot of the physical constraints we were going to have here at TACO, specifically the ceiling heights, and they showed us an actual 63-seat tiered classroom where they were able to design around those physical constraints, and they made a very, very warming classroom environment. And I think that's what closed it in for us for Baker Design.
For the Larson Hall project, it represents the sort of the continuation of our evolution of what educational design should be. The classrooms at Larson Hall became the world's first Platinum LEED certified educational space, but it was the 50-person seat classroom that was to TACO the most intimate and just right-sized.
They helped us say, sit back and stop thinking about walls and ceilings and carpet. You need to start thinking about the story you're going to tell. And that's embedded in the mechanical equipment. That's embedded in when the person walks in, what's the user's experience inside this building. Let's tell that story. And I think they've been very good at that.
They have.
And they've been very good walking us through it as their client who has not had a chance to tell the story. And they believe that there's a lot here to tell about TACO and its employees and its rich history and the potential that we have in front of us.